Hey family, welcome back to another video with your favorite auntie. Y'all know that tickles me. Anyway, welcome back to another video, you guys. This is the leftover or the remaining portion to the last video of us completing this furniture that I got from my little cousin. I shared with you in the last video that I actually helped pick this furniture out 20 plus years ago with my aunt, whose house had caught on fire, and we picked this out for her daughter at the time. And her daughter at the time has since had her own daughters, and she actually had given it to her oldest child, and now they have since moved into a new place and brand new beginnings. They gave it to me to flip and bless somebody else with. So I ended up selling it, which you actually will see later on in this video here. We were going to keep it. Well, I was going to keep it in the family and pass it on to another family member. But I decided that, yep, it was time for this piece to leave our entire family and go to someone completely new. And so that is what happened, as well as another piece that you will see get flipped in this video as well, I think. Anyway, you guys, I hope you had a great weekend. Not sure when this video will post or what was before it. Anyway, I am sanding the primer. This is probably my second or third coat of primer, and I sand in between each layer of primer just to ensure a smooth, nice finish, especially since I'm not using the sprayer and I'm actually hand rolling everything, which is very therapeutic for me. And as you can see here in this clip, the pieces are getting stuck together, so I'm having to wiggle and do all the things to get them separated. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's going to be this remaining piece and I think about 3 other pieces I'll be sharing with you all in this one video. But yeah, so just enjoy the rest of this and I will check back in periodically, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Y'all know how we do here with these flips. We just make it do what it do and do what it do. I know someone's going to ask about the color of the furniture. This is a mist tint, and it's actually just a very creamy off-white color. I don't know the name of it. Don't have a clue. It was $2 for the can, and that's what I go for these flips. If I don't already have paint on hand, I'll just grab whatever color mist tint is available and use that. A lot of times I do know with these furniture flips, the whites, the creams, the blacks tend to sell pretty fast. I think people can more so envision what the piece will look like in their own space in a more neutral color.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll.
is the third piece that we will be flipping today. It's this tall chest of drawers, and I'm already in repair mode of the one that you see over to the side. One of the tracks was broke on it, and so I was just Gorilla Gluing it and then securing it with some weight so that it can stick so I can continue on. In the meantime, I'm going to be removing the hardware so that I can add new hardware and closing off of these holes using Bondo. I use Bondo all the time for projects like filling holes, and again, you will see me using it when I get to another part of the dresser, the area where I want to get rid of it to make it look a little bit more modern. Yeah, and then I have some hardware again that we had left over from our cabinets from the kitchen where we did a remodel, and so I'm just using those that hardware up. I'm just spray painting it gold as I move along and just using it on the pieces to get rid of it. And plus, it's not costing me any money in this flip. Remember, the less you invest in these flip pieces, the more you profit on the back end, if you're flipping it for a profit, that is. I don't know if I'm going to sell this or not. I'll keep you guys posted on that. But again, this was a piece that cousin was getting rid of as her and her family are moving on to greater and better things.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll.
Be over here, be over there. Yeah. Be over here, be over there. Be over here, be over there.
So this piece and one other piece, a little table that I'm going to be flipping, I'm actually going to be giving to my mother. She is actually, well, I'm actually in the process of looking for her a senior living apartment unit where she can move in with people that are her in her age group. Not like a nursing home, but just like apartments for people of elder years to live their best life, you know. And so I'm going to be moving her into one of those units whenever somebody calls me back. There seems to be like really long waiting lists for this process, but I have a feeling that something is going to come through for her sooner than later, only because I know people who know people who know people. And I think I'm going to get showed some favor. And so I'm just collecting pieces to flip for her and make beautiful for her. I'll give you her whole, well, not her whole, but a great portion of her story, my mother's story, in a later video. But I will also let you guys know what pieces that I find that I want to flip for her new place. And again, I have no idea what the place is going to look like, but I'm very confident and I'm certain that she is going to get a place really soon. This is the young lady that actually showed up right literally after I listed this piece of furniture, within about an hour or so to purchase it. She purchased the piece, but she can't pick it up until Saturday. And even though we're supposed to be out of town, I'm going to make sure that someone is available to make sure she's able to get her pieces because she paid for them today. So I'm happy that it's going to a beautiful home. And this is the second piece that I'm also going to be flipping for my mom. And here's how they turned out. I used the remainder of the black paint from the dresser flip. And if she wants that dresser, I'll also keep that for her. But I'm hoping to find maybe a longer dresser to flip for her place. And then I also want to make sure that I kind of keep the pieces small in size, because I know her place will be nice, small, and cozy, just perfect for her. Again, stay tuned, and I'll be sharing with you some of her story in later videos, again, as I come across pieces that I want to purchase and flip for my mom in her new place for when she moves here really soon. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, all the furniture flips. Hope you got some ideas, tips, tricks to use in your own home. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until, love you. Bye, y'all.